from AD Hospitals, and today I am going to have a topic on detail of the subject computer organization, and the topic is data conversion. So before data conversion, we need to know what is number system. So number system is nothing but the systemic operations that happens under a computer is known as a number system. And inside the computer, all the data you give will be split into some of the numbers in 4 forms. Those are binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal on basis of the computer purpose. So let us see each individual of the types of number system. So the first one is binary. Binary is obviously used in computer to state an off and on states. So off state represents the number 0 and on state represents the number 1. So binary will take 2 base number, that is 2, because the count of the digits in the binary system is 2. And the next type is decimal. So decimal, it will take the numbers from 0 to 9. So the base number of decimal is 10. So the next octal and hexadecimal is completely dependent upon the decimal, because those two number system will take the numbers from decimal. So octal will have the numbers from 0 to 7. So the base number is 8, and the hexadecimal will have the number of 0 to 16. The total base number is 17, but what happened inside it is like, so from 0 to 9 it will take a normal numeric digits, but after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 it will count the alphabet starting from A, B, C, D, E and F. So 10 will take a digit A, which means that whenever it is given like 2A, so what it means, the 2 binary number is in 84214, the 2 binary number is 0010, and the A number is 10. So we need to write it like 1010. So this is how you write 2A in order of binary. And next we have seen the hexadecimal, right? So this is a quite introduction about the number system. Now let us directly jump into data conversions. Actually, for each number system, it has been divided into 3 types, like binary. We can convert binary into decimal, binary into octal, and binary into hexadecimal. In the same way, we can convert the whole 3 into these 3 multiples. So I will explain all 3 binary conversions now. Now let me explain binary conversions. So binary to decimal, binary to octal, and binary to hexadecimal. So the binary base is, the decimal base is, and hexadecimal base is 60, and the binary base is 2. So we need to convert, for example, I have taken the first conversion, binary to decimal. In binary to decimal, I need to convert the binary into a decimal number. So I have taken, for example, 110, 110. I have taken this binary number and I need to convert it into decimal. So now how we do this? We need to start at, we all know that 8421. What was the inner process of 8421 is like 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and 2 cube, right? In the same way, you will split this all like this, and then you will start 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 cube, 2 power 4 and 2 power 6. Now, how you need to divide it like, sorry, it's 2 power 5. How you need to divide it like 1 into 2 power 5 plus 1 into 2 power 4 plus 1 into 2 cube plus, sorry, 0 into 2 cube plus 1 into 2 square plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 0 into 2 power 0. So tell me the values. So this value was 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 0 and plus 2 power 4, 16 plus 2 power 5, 30. So 32 plus 60, 48. 48 plus 2, 50. 50 plus 4, 54. So the decimal number of this binary code is 54. So this was the binary to decimal conversion. Hope you all understood. And now let me tell binary to octal. Before octal, a point I want to remind you all is like octal will take 3-digit binary number, which means that octal will have 3 landscape space, which means that if you want to enter a number 8 into octal, for example, I have taken this binary code. If you want to convert it into octal, you need to take only 3 spaces. We've already read it in DLD, right? And if you want to convert it into hexadecimal, you need to take 4 spaces. So now let me give an example. I have taken this binary code and I need to convert it into octal. Now how I need to do? First step is that split them all into some space and now divide the 3. Now what was the binary number of this according to 8421? 6. What was this binary number? 2. So total number, you not add them, you just combine them. 26. So the octal number of this binary code is 26. Next, let us see conversion of binary to hexadecimal. So hexadecimal will take 4 bytes, that is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. I have taken this example binary and I need to convert it into hexadecimal. Now how do you convert it? Just split them all. Now tell me, what was the value of it? 8 plus 2? 11. 10. It is 10, not 10. 4 plus 1. 5. 8 plus 2 plus 1, 11. So 1, 1, 5, 1, 1.
B 5 B. B 5 B.
Sorry, okay. So this is what we got actually, but we know that in hexadecimal for 11 for A we take the value 10, right? For 11 we need to take the value B. For 12 C. In the same manner you will take until 15. So what was the value of 11? It's B. So you will write B, 5 as it is, and then B. So the value is 5B. Hope you all understood, and let us see one more conversion, that is so the conversions of decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. So tell me one example of decimal, any number. For example, I have taken 256. Okay, I need to convert this decimal number into binary code. We know we will do it in an LCM method. So tell me 256. LCM of 2. 1, 2, 6.
128.
Sorry, 8. And the remainder is 0, right? And I get 2, 6, 4. And the remainder is 0. And again it will be divisible by 2, 32, and the remainder will be 0. Again 2, 60. The remainder will be 0. Again 2, and the remainder will be 0. Again 2, and the remainder will be 0. Again 2, and the remainder will be 0. Again we can have 2 on the 2, right? So and the remainder will be 0. 0. Fine. We got the LCM, and here you need to write the decimal number from the lowest degree to a starting degree, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 plus 8 zeros. This is what the binary representation of 256. If you want to check it correct or not, you can have this rule like 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 like that. So you will get 2 power 9, right? 2 power 9. Obviously 2 power 9 value is 256. So this is what the conversion of binary to decimal to binary. And now let us see conversion of binary to octal. Let us take the same value 256 and now divide like